Welcome back to the channel. If you are starting your journey with CAD and wondering how to start a sketch in Fusion 360, you are in the right place. Creating a solid, accurate sketch is the foundation of every 3D model, and today I am going to show you exactly how to get started from scratch. This process is essential for any project, whether you are planning to 3D print your designs or manufacture parts. If this video helps you master the interface, please hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with more CAD tutorials. Before we dive into the steps, make sure you have your software open. First, open a new design or an existing file where you want to work. Once you are in the workspace, look at the toolbar at the very top of your screen. There you will see the Create Sketch button. Click that, and you will notice that the screen will present you with the origin planes, the XY plane, the XZ plane, or the YZ plane. Selecting one of these is your canvas. Choosing the right plane is important, so think about which side your object will sit on. Once you click a plane, the environment will shift into the sketch workspace. Now let's try a practical example to get you comfortable. Press R on your keyboard to activate the rectangle tool. Click once on the screen to set your first corner point, then drag your mouse outward to expand the shape. Now, if you want a perfect square, type 50 millimeters for the width, hit the Tab key to switch values, and type 50 millimeters for the height as well. Then press Enter. Look how easy that is. Finally, just click the Finish Sketch button in the top right corner to save your changes and exit to sketch mode. That is all there is to it. By following these steps, you have successfully set your foundation. If you have any questions or want to see more advanced techniques, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Happy designing!